أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Set an internal alarm for 15 minutes or set a timepiece next to you. Close your eyes and sit up straight. We'll begin with mindfulness. Come to your senses. Take a deep breath in for 2. Hold it. And out for 4. Again, in for 2. Hold it. And out for 4. Now breathe gently and bring your awareness to your ears. Become aware of the slightest sound you can detect. Take another breath in and become aware of the loudest sound you can detect. Breathe in again. And as you exhale, bring your awareness to the most noticeable sensation in your body. Breathe in again and bring your attention to the most subtle sensation in your body. Remember not to judge the sensation, good or bad. Breathe in, exhale, and bring your attention to your eyes. As they're closed, what do you see? Is it complete darkness or a shimmer of light? Breathe in and bring your awareness to your mouth, your sense of taste. What is the most noticeable taste in your mouth? What is the most subtle? Breathe in and bring your attention to your nose. What is the most noticeable smell? What is the most subtle? Could just be the air you're breathing in. Breathe in, and as you exhale, bring your awareness to your 5 senses all together. You're now awakening to your surroundings and to yourself. Let go of the idea that noise is a distraction and stay present. Bliss is always in the now. It's time to go inwards, to connect with the One. Let go, trust, and surrender. Love yourself enough to do this. It's time to free your body from the past and to open the doors to a new you, a new future. As you're in this relaxed state, feel your breath as it expands your belly. Allow the name of Allah to gently come into your mind without forcing it. Just allow it to bubble up. Imagine an opening at the top of your head where the divine name comes pouring into you with each breath. Gently repeat this divine name in your heart. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. Breathe this name into your heart and open up your heart. Remember, the mind thinks involuntarily, like the heart beats involuntarily. Use this divine name to anchor you and bring you back to center. As you breathe, allow the thoughts to come and go. Observe them and gently let them go. Don't judge them. Keep breathing gently and repeat the divine name. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. Allow the presence of Spirit to increase and expand within you. Allow this breath to fill the rest of your body. Become aware of this breath as it unites you with all that's around you, making you whole. Keep breathing. Relax. Surrender. Allow this light to fill your heart. Feel it. The light of this divine name filling your entire body, from head to neck to shoulders, your arms, your fingers, your belly. Breathe all the way down to your feet. When you feel the thoughts come in, gently allow this divine name to anchor you, to bring you back to center. Move into a state of stillness, serenity, contentment, peace, and love. Breathe. Allahu, Allahu. Now gently release the divine name and allow yourself to come back to your natural state while keeping your eyes closed. From this place of expanded awareness, bring yourself to a state of gratitude. Think of what you are grateful for. Put your full attention on God, who is all around you. He's with you. He surrounds you. As you breathe in, you're breathing in His love, His light, His energy, His support. Now think of one dream, one goal, one desire. What comes up for you? The first one to come to mind will be a good one to use for today. Now imagine it as if it's happening right now. Picture it. Allow your senses to feel it. Don't judge it. Don't analyze it. Just feel it. Explore it in your mind. Notice how it makes you feel. Are you feeling joyful? Are you feeling grateful? Do you feel alive? Hold on to this feeling of gratitude, of oneness with God. Hold on to it. Feel it and remember it. Now, I want you to give thanks and release it into the field of unlimited possibility. Release it to our Creator. Now gently come back to awareness, carrying this feeling of joy with you. And as you bring awareness to your body, breathe gently. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.